Hi, it's Ian from Dancing Goat Coffee. So given the events of the last few weeks and the fact that we're all at home a lot more, we thought it might be a nice idea to make a video and just demo some home brewing methods that we have. We have a range of pre-ground coffee available in 500 gram bags, and the most sort of commonly used and easiest preparation method I find for home is V60, such as this. This is a 2-cup V60. A little cone of filter paper in there, and I'm going to use the little measuring scoop that comes supplied with the kit to drop 2 full measuring scoops of ground coffee into the top there. I'll move the camera over or edit the video in so you can see what happens as we pour the warm water over the coffee, and you can see it bloom, and really the best kind of way to allow it to filter through the paper. So I'll get my ground coffee here, 2 level scoops of ground coffee into the filter paper on top of the V60. So I'll just give that a little tap to level out the ground coffee that's in there. So I've already boiled the water in the kettle here. I've left it to just cool a little bit, because really you want the water to be around about sort of 88 degrees, and we don't want to burn the ground coffee, and then that spoils the flavour of the ground coffee that you've got in there. So in this case we're just going to pour into the top of the filter paper, nice sort of rolling action there. And you can see that the nice freshly ground and roasted coffee starts to bloom, so it has this nice kind of, almost looks a little bit like a pour crema you would have on a poorly made espresso. So we can see it filtering through. I may just lift that up so the camera can see the infusion, and there we go. So you can hear it happening, maybe if you can't see it. So I'll just add a little more water to the top of that, so we make sure we get a full cup of coffee. So again, you can still see the coffee blooming into the, we'll just check the level that we've got to there. And what I'll do is I'll move it onto my second cup. I've actually got a glass cup there, so you could see that taking place as it brews through. It's a really convenient method, this, because once you've finished, you can use the handle on the V60, simply go over to the bin and tip out the waste coffee and the paper at the same time, and then just rinse out your V60. Put it back in the cupboard ready for tomorrow morning's breakfast. It's a really convenient method, and actually really gets a nice extraction as well. Not really espresso, just more of a filter coffee. So for the purists out there, you'll have to wait or visit a customer that's serving with an espresso machine still. So hopefully you can see on there, V60 taking the coffee and brewing through into the glass cup there.